In a mission packed with firsts, India is sending not just an astronaut, but also some of the toughest creatures on Earth into space. Meet the tardigrades, microscopic water bears that can survive boiling, freezing, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. And meet Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, the Indian Air Force pilot who's taking them aboard the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station. Subhanshu Shukla is set to become the first Indian astronaut to stay on the International Space Station, a decorated IAF pilot and part of ISRO's 2019 astronaut training cohort. He has been selected for Axiom 4, a commercial space flight operated by SpaceX and Axiom Space. Alongside international crewmates, he will spend 14 days conducting scientific experiments in microgravity. One of the most anticipated experiments on this mission is called Voyager tardigrades. Why tardigrades? Because they are nature's ultimate survivors. These tiny 8-legged creatures can go into a suspended state called a tun, survive for decades without water, and endure the extremes of outer space. Shukla will rehydrate dried tardigrades in space, observe their survival, reproduction, and even hatching, all in microgravity. Once back on Earth, scientists will compare their gene expression, what changed in space versus what stayed the same. The Voyager tardigrades study could unlock the secrets of DNA protection, radiation shielding, and space survivability. Imagine using tardigrade proteins to protect human cells on Mars, or stabilizing vaccines and transplant organs without refrigeration. Tardigrades produce proteins like damage suppressor, DSUP, that protect DNA from radiation damage, proteins we may one day engineer into human biology. This isn't just about tiny creatures, it's a big moment for India. The Voyager experiment is one of 7 India-led microgravity experiments Shukla will conduct on the ISS. Others include studies on microalgae, cyanobacteria, muscle regeneration, seed sprouting, and space tech interfaces. Tardigrades might just be the key to future-proofing humanity in space. And Subhanshu Shukla is not just piloting a Dragon spacecraft, he is carrying India's first steps into space biology and deep space resilience. From Mars to microgravity, tardigrades are now astronauts, and so is India. What do you think? Could these indestructible microbes unlock the next age of space survival? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories at the intersection of science and future.